Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Commerce Diaries. I hope you all are doing well. Today I would like to share a good news with you all, that is I qualified for the NTA UGC NET examination in the category of Commerce, and which the exam was held in 2022. So in the today's video I would like to share my preparation strategy and the tips and tricks which help me to crack this examination. So let us begin with it. If you are new to this examination, you must aware about the examination pattern as well as the syllabus. That is a very important to start your preparation. First, our NT-UGC NET examination is held in two categories, that is General Paper 1, which is a common paper for all of us, and the paper 2, which is in the subject which you have done your masters and MCom. Okay, or maybe your post graduation. So for me, my paper 2 was the commerce. Once you start doing your preparation for this examination, you must aware about the syllabus first. You can download the syllabus from the official site of the NTA UGC NET, or I have provided the videos on my channel where I have done the analysis, or I have discussed the syllabus of the paper 1 and paper 2 in the detailed manner. Once you have downloaded your syllabus sheet, have a thorough analysis on that particular syllabus, because you just can't blindly start your preparation. Okay, you must aware about that, the which topics which I have covered in my post graduation, which topics I'm aware about, which topics which we studied in our BCom examination, or which we can cover in 11th standard or the 12th standard. From there you can identify, okay, these are the topics, some are the familiar with me, so I will manage my time to study with those particular topics. So this was about the paper 2. Then paper 1. Paper 1 is the general paper for all. We might not aware about the general paper, so that will be a totally new to us. So we have to more focus on those particular units of the paper 1. Then next thing you have to do is that you can download, or you can try to get a recent year question papers of the NTA UGC NET for the both paper 1 and the paper 2. Do the analysis of those question papers. From there you will get to know about that, okay, these are the few topics which are repeatedly coming in the examination. So you can make a analysis, or you can make a note over that these are the repeatedly coming topics. So you will get ideas, okay, this is my syllabus sheet, this is my syllabus, these topics I have to cover. Along with that, these are the topics which are repeatedly coming in the examination, or these are the NT UGC NET favorite topics. So you can make a time management, which topics you have to give a more time and which topics you can keep aside and you can give a less time to them. So this was about your syllabus and the paper pattern of the NT UGC NET. Then next thing is that once you start doing your preparation, you must need your study material. Okay, so for paper 2, as my paper is a commerce, so for the paper 2 you can if you are a paid learner, you will get a structurized course in the any kind of the platform, whether it is a online platform or the offline platform. If you are an unpaid learner, if you are studying from the online platform or offline platform, I would suggest that your post graduation books, your graduation books, as well as your 11th and 12th standard books would be sufficient to cover your paper 2 syllabus. For the paper 1, you can purchase any kind of the good author books, or you can do your preparation from the free online sources. Okay, so this was about your study material and the resources. But I would suggest one thing is that please don't just blindly follow any kind of the study material. Try to get the study material where you can match your wavelength. Okay, this language I'm comfortable with, I can understand in this language, so okay, I will do that. So this was about your study material. Then the next thing is that after one you will start your preparation, you will complete all your units, like 10 units in the paper 1 and the 10 units in the paper 2. Let's say if you complete any kind of the 1 units, then try to solve the MCQs based on that. MCQs will help you to have a grip over your concept, that will give the effectively studying and understanding the concepts thoroughly. Then after MCQ you can try to solve the PYQs also, because PYQ will give you the reality check. Okay, this concept I have studied, now I am solving the PYQs. Okay, this kind of the questions asked in the examination. Okay, this is the pattern which NTA follows. So on the based on that PYQs you can do the self analysis of your preparation. And the one thing is that solving PYQ doesn't mean getting a correct answer. You should analyze uh, the PYQ. As our examination is a MCQ based, you will find a 4 option over there. So you have to uh, uh, find any learning point from the all 4 options. Based on that you can make your own notes, or you can make your small points. Okay, this is the keyword, okay, this is the new learning point, I can make a note over there. The next thing is that your note making. If you have a sufficient time for the studying, you can make your own good notes. Writing notes, that doesn't mean you have to write a whole book, whole things you have to highlight it and write. No, when you will studying anything, just try to find, okay, this is the keyword, okay, this is the important find, whether it is a author name, or it can be a year, establishment year, it can be the headquarter place, anything. Make a chart, or make a pictorial presentation, or make any mnemonics for that, and try to make your own notes. And please maintain your notes in the good handwriting and good presentation, because once we start studying we have to retain our concept till our examination. So in this case your notes will be very much helpful for you. Then the next thing is that after doing all these things, when you will thoroughly revise all your concepts and everything, you have to analyze how much study you have done. And I would tell you the one thing, if you are a beginner to this examination, I will tell you that complete your syllabus once. Means complete your syllabus and each and every unit once, and revise it many. I am repeating again and this, complete your syllabus one and revise it many, because revision will help you to retain your concept till the longer period of the time. So after that you have to do is that you have to do the analysis. Let's say if you complete your whole the syllabus, and now 2 months or maybe 1.5 months is left for your examination, start giving a mock test. Giving mock test, that doesn't mean you just have to check whether how much study I have done, and how much good marks I'm getting, and how much ahead I'm from my competitors. No, this is not like that. You have to check whether how much time I'm taking to solve the paper one, how much time I need to solve the practical questions. So this analysis you can do. Okay, and don't demotivate yourself. Okay, I'm getting a very less marks and my friends are getting good marks. No, it is not like that. You have to analyze this over yourself, that okay, this kind of the things I can do, this kind of the things I shouldn't do, because mock test is the only thing where you can try any kind of the experiment on yourself. Okay, you can first solve the practical questions, then you can solve the theory questions, or okay, I should solve first reading comprehension, or I can keep MR question at the last. It is up to you, it is up to your efficiency what you are good in it. Then next thing is that after attempting the mock test, you have to analyze the mock test, and each and every mock test will also give you the new learning points. So after giving any kind of the mock test, have a note over that, okay, these are the learning points which I get from my mock test. Okay, then next thing is that after doing all these things, if you find any kind of the things, okay, these are the few topics where I am lagging behind, so for these kind of the topics you can have a repetitive study over there. Then next thing is that I would like to tell you one thing is that all these things, means your study material, your notes, MCQs, PYQs and the mock test, these are combinedly built decide your end result, and also that your efforts are also played a very important role in these things. So I would like to tell you, please have a faith on yourself, believe on yourself. If you are studying and if you're truly into that I have to crack this examination, then make your own strategy. Don't just blindly follow any other strategy. Everyone will share you their own strategy with you, but this is the you and yourself, that you can make your self strategy and you will be able to crack this examination. So this was a small success story, or I would like to say this was the few tips which helped me to start my preparation, to do my preparation, and help me to crack this examination. I hope you all like this video. If you find this video helpful for you, share it with your friends, and don't forget to give your reviews in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video. Have a nice day.